We are working on a 2025 Acura TLX. We are doing a alarm system. Customer would like to have a actually tracking device with the starter disabled. The starter wires, it says on the DirectX website, under the fuse box, plug D. I don't know what D is. There's no label for D anywhere here. I found the wire. It is actually right there by my fingertip. It is a white, maybe 20 gauge wire. Let me see if I can focus that somehow. And I cut it in half. Now once you cut it, you got to figure it out which side is the car side, which side is the starter motor side. I'll show you what it is. So obviously once you cut it, you don't know which side is the starter wire, which side is the car side. So easiest way to test it is you get one of these test light, two wires, obviously because I cut it. So that side measures nothing. And the other side measures ground. So whenever you touch any metal, it shows 0 and the green light comes on. That indicates it's continuity to the ground. Now on this side, as you can see, it shows ground because this side is the motor side, starter motor side. Because the motor, one side is a positive, the other side is a ground, obviously, to spin the motor. So it shows that's the ground. It's not actually grounded because it goes through the coil to the ground side, so it measures the ground. So that's the starter motor side. This is actually coming from the key side. So this side is the key side, this side is the motor side. Some relays that we are doing, you need to know, you need to identify which is the key side, which is the motor side, because they are using the key side as a power source coming in here for the relay. So you need to find out which one is the key side, which is the motor side. So in our case, one on the right is the key side, which measures nothing. But when you crank it, this gets 12 volt. Away from it, it shows the ground, that's the motor side. So that's how you can tell power coming into it, power going out to the motor. So if you need to have power for the relay, that's how you identify.